Sunday, December 31st, 2023. Holy Family of Jesus, Mary and Joseph. Focus. He remembers his covenant forever. The siblings in a certain family could not trust each other when it came to division of the assets left behind by their parents. Sadly, this is a common occurrence in many families. Perhaps it is difficult to trust others, even close family members, because many of us wear masks which hide the true self. Be it in actions or words, much in life today is fake. Where is the need to be fake? Why can we not be genuine, trusting people? In Genesis 15, 1-6, Abraham put his full trust in the Lord. He knew his own failings, yet his strong faith in God withstood every test he had to face. He believed whatever God told him, even that his descendants would multiply like the stars in the sky, although he had already reached a ripe old age. We have another special example in the Holy Family. Such was their faith in God and trust in each other, that Jesus, Mary and Joseph overcame every trial that came their way. Down the centuries, God sent many prophets to appeal to his people to repent and return to him. Ultimately, he sent his only Son, Jesus, to die on the cross. What better example do we need to throw off our masks and be genuine people? Fruit. Let me draw guidance and strength from the Holy Bible to keep my commitment to the Lord.